When it comes to family transportation, buyers want more than just space. They want premium styling, advanced technology, strong efficiency, and a cabin that feels like a luxury lounge. That's exactly what the all-new 2027 BYD M9 is aiming to deliver. BYD has been rapidly expanding its global lineup, and the M9 could become one of the brand's most important vehicles yet. Blending futuristic design with cutting-edge electric technology, this new MPV is ready to challenge established rivals in markets around the world. But does it have what it takes to become the ultimate family mover? Let's find out. At first glance, the 2027 BYD M9 makes a bold statement. The front end features sleek LED headlights connected by a full-width light bar that gives the vehicle a modern and high-tech appearance. The large sculpted bumper adds a premium touch while maintaining excellent aerodynamics. Smooth body lines flow from front to rear, creating a clean profile that looks both elegant and athletic. Large alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, giving the M9 a confident stance. Around the back, a stylish LED taillight bar stretches across the tailgate, while the minimalist design reinforces BYD's futuristic approach. Chrome accents are kept to a minimum, allowing the clean surfaces and sophisticated lighting elements to do all the talking. Step inside, and the cabin immediately feels like it belongs in a luxury vehicle. The dashboard is dominated by a massive floating infotainment display paired with a fully digital instrument cluster. High-quality soft touch materials, premium leather upholstery, and ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. The M9 is expected to offer seating for up to 7 passengers with spacious captain's chairs available in the second row. These seats may include heating, ventilation, massage functions, and electric adjustments, making long trips significantly more comfortable. Rear passengers are also expected to own dedicated climate controls, USB-C charging ports, wireless charging, and large entertainment screens. Thanks to its flat electric platform, the floor remains low, maximizing legroom throughout the cabin while making entry and exit much easier. Technology plays a major role in the new M9. BYD is expected to equip the vehicle with its latest intelligent operating system featuring voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cloud connectivity, over-the-air software updates, and advanced navigation powered by artificial intelligence. Multiple cameras, parking sensors, and a 360-degree surround view system should make maneuvering such a large vehicle surprisingly simple. Safety remains one of BYD's biggest priorities. The M9 is expected to come equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, and advanced highway driving assistance. Combined with a reinforced body structure and multiple airbags, the M9 is designed to provide confidence for every journey. Under the skin, the 2027 BYD M9 is expected to utilize the company's latest Blade battery technology, paired with highly efficient electric motors. Depending on the market, buyers may have the option of either a single motor rear wheel drive version or a dual motor all-wheel drive model offering stronger acceleration and improved traction. Fast charging capability should allow the battery to recharge from 10 to 80% in around 30 minutes, while total driving range could exceed 400 miles on a full charge under ideal conditions. The suspension is expected to prioritize ride comfort, making highway cruising exceptionally smooth while still providing stable handling around corners. Although official pricing has not yet been confirmed, industry experts expect the 2027 BYD M9 to start at approximately 50,000 for the base model, with higher end trims reaching around 70,000 depending on equipment and battery configuration. If BYD delivers everything promised, the M9 could become one of the most attractive premium electric MPVs on the market, offering luxury, technology, efficiency, and practicality at a highly competitive price. It represents another major step forward for BYD and shows just how quickly the company is reshaping the future of electric family transportation.